Welcome back to my YouTube channel EzyMentor. So happy to see that everyone are interested in my videos, and this interest is my happiness. So let's move to the analysis part of this data. Here I have created a data, and using this data I am going for data analysis. Actually, I have already explained this data before in my previous videos, in my video number 25 of ANOVA test. So same data I am using here, and I think the understanding of data, you can go and check out my video. So here I am going to tell a brief note of this data. Nothing but that here it is a subject analysis of each student, their class test score, their final exam score, their interest in the subject, their activeness in the class, their extracurricular activities, and you can see they are divided into some groups, their gender, their names, their serial number, and whether their notes are completed or not. Also, whether they passed or failed the exam. These are the variables. So using this data, we are going for data analysis, and I have created a data analysis new sheet over here. Also, I have created a pivot table in this sheet. Actually, in my one of my previous video, I have already taught how to create a pivot table. Please go and check out that video. I think it will be the video number 10 or something. There is creating a pivot table. I have already created a video, so go and check out that. Nothing but that. Go to insert and create a pivot table using the data. So here I have already created a pivot table. I want to drag out the variables into the rows and columns. So I am dragging gender to the rows and also same gender to the values. So you can see the count of gender over here. There are 10 females and 46 males. So from this data, from this analysis itself, you can tell males are mostly seen in the class and females are very less. So using this data, you can create a pie pivot chart or bar chart. So I am creating a pivot chart, and it is a pie pivot chart. So this is my chart. Again, once more, go to insert, click on pivot charts, then click on pivot charts pie pivot chart, click on OK. So here the chart is ready using this data. Just minimize, just resize the chart to see it very nicely. So click on the chart, on here on the design, change the layout of the chart, change the colors. Like this you can make your chart some beautiful. I'm just changing this chart style to different style. Okay, that's enough. Then again copy paste this pivot table over here and just move the variables to the top, and we can create a new data. I am going to see how is the final exam result. Sorry, I have chosen a different variable, exam result, and you can see the count of exam result, where you can see 18 students are failed in the subject and 38 students are passed in the exam. So this is the final result. Here you can see 18 students are failed and 38 students are passed. So again, using this chart also, you can create one chart. Go to insert, use pivot chart, click on bar column. So this is my column chart, or this is my bar chart using this data. I'm just removing this title so it will be visible somewhere. Okay, go to pivot, chart analyze, go to design and change the chart style and change the colors also. And just change it to orange color. Then next we can create another variable using this data. Sorry, I have done a mistake. I forgot to copy paste the pivot table. So just click on the pivot table and copy it and paste it over here. Again, you can move these two variables from here and just drag. You can see the group wise result, group wise final exam score. And we are going to see not the sum, we need to see the average only. Go to value field settings and move to average. Then click on OK. So you can see the average results of each group. From here you can tell group 4 is more better because most of the students have scored very good scores in this subject in from the group 4, and so their average is 54.21, and group 1 is not much better because their average is 42.71. So from this also you can create a chart. Go to pivot charts. I'm going to create a pie chart using this. Insert the chart over there. Just adjust the size. Okay, I'm removing this tightly so it will be visible some more. Then I want to put some designs on my chart. I'm going to change the chart color. So this is very nice. So like this, we need to create charts.